Okay, hey, I wanted to show you guys something. I bought this car used, and there was a lot of stains on the carpet. Notice how this is all stained right here? Well, it was all stained right here too, exactly the same, and I managed to get almost everything out. And if I go to the back seats here, this back seat, I wish I had taken a before picture, but it had coffee stains all over it, and still some there a little bit I didn't get out because I didn't really wipe those. But let me show you what I've been doing, which is kind of devised this myself. So, I mean, this was right here, it was really dark and scungy. Needs a little bit more, but let me show you. So, I had this all free and clear laundry detergent, and actually this thing was empty, you know. It was empty, and all I did was fill it up. I put water in it and filled it up and shook it up, so it's way diluted. But I had this, and so what I did was I took a rag just like this, and show you. Okay, it's a blue rag like this, and I just coat it with this liquid. Put it on here. Okay, there you go. Wipe it out so it's not completely, it's not totally wet. So all I do is go in here and watch what I'm going to do. I am just going to take it and wipe it like this, just on the surface. I'm not trying to get anything, you know, deep, low, and underneath. So actually, I want it just to be not really damp, because I don't want this to go down inside, but just enough that I think it's working. So just focus on this spot right here. Okay. You saw how brown that was. It's brown right here, brown right there. So I'm not really getting a lot of liquid down inside. All I'm doing is hitting the surface, basically, with the awl. There's a spot right up there too. Notice that kind of came off. And the reason why I'm not getting it really, really wet is because I found if you get the carpet wet, you never can get the coffee out. It just keeps coming up. So there we go. Now, there we go. We just kind of leave it like that for now. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Looks like a lot of it came out. Actually, I could get some more in here. Okay, so next step. My next step is, here's another rag. And this one I'm just going to put plain ordinary water on. So let's get this. And I'm going to have to shake this out because I've used it before and it's kind of got stuff in it. But that's okay. Oh, I don't want a leaf on it. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand, so that's why I'm doing it. Okay, so now that's kind of, I'm going to put it into like I'll put it kind of like into a square like this, okay? So now what I'm going to do is go in here and just the spot that I went over, I'm just going to wipe it off with this clean water. This is sort of like the rinse cycle here. Now, I think I got a lot on there. So see, there's a lot in there, so I'm going to have to do this a little bit. There you go. Yeah. Yep. It's still kind of soapy, so I just want to get the soap out of it. So I'm just using this rag. It's got a little bit of water on it. It's like my rinse rag here. Okay. it's looking pretty good. There we go. Okay. There we go. I think I pretty much got the soap out. Yeah. I think so. Well, maybe not. Let's keep... Yeah, that's a lot of soap I put on there. I didn't mean to put so much on. I didn't do that. I think I rubbed it a little bit too much, but that's okay. All right, so now my next step is plain ordinary dry rag. Okay, so this is just plain dry. So let's just kind of wipe it off here. See what happens. And yeah. So anyways, I think you can see that, check this out. Look how nice and gray this is now. Pretty much got all the coffee out of it. Whatever that brown stuff is, and I'm assuming it's coffee and junk. And there was a spot up here, it's completely gone. And this here had a little bit of stain, but it's gone. So look at that. So what I'm gonna do is do the rest of this. I'm gonna start here, and I'm not gonna record it, but I'm gonna do the same thing, and I'll show you the results. Look at that. Wow, it looks nice. Okay, pretty nice. Hope you all can see that, how good this turned out right here. See, it's all gone. Well, I just finished it up. You can probably still see a little bit, you know, a little bit of coffee there. Very, very light. You know, it's nothing I would worry about. I can do it again, just you know, a second or third time to see if I can get the stain out. But compared to what it was, this is amazing. Absolutely amazing. So there's nothing here. That's gone from right here. And for the most part, all of this coffee stain is, you know, it's kind of indistinguishable. Before it was big and brown and ugly. Now you can't hardly see it.